Meet Plantone. With intelligent lighting and adjustable auto watering system, Plantone is the smarter solution for anyone to grow plants indoors easily. Plant the seeds, fill the tank, plug it in, and you're good to go. Your mini garden has 4 main units: the water tank, the floater unit, the auto pots, and the light tower. The auto pots sit on the floater unit. As you fill the tank, the floating action creates osmotic pressure. This ensures your plants to always receive the same amount of water no matter how much the tank is filled. Plantone protects your plants from accidental overwatering or underwatering. A full tank provides 30 days of water to your plants, but if you're going to be away for a while, you can overfill the tank for up to an extra 30 days. The water tank prevents unwanted evaporation, which helps Plantone use 85% less water compared to regular pots. Your plants may require different amounts of water. By adjusting the intensity of water for each autopot separately, you can grow 5 different species at the same time. Adjustable watering feature enables you to grow plants on regular soil. No need for plant cartridges. The light tower is easily adjustable for different plants or different stages of growth. The single button on top lets you control the intensity of the light. Plantone's energy-efficient, white-based full-spectrum lighting system helps your plants grow faster and healthier. Besides the electrical components, Plantone Diversity is made out of recycled materials with stability and quality in mind. We tried to make Plantone fun and easy to use for growing fresh products in your kitchen and for your decorative needs. Plantone aims to inspire and empower people to grow plants whenever and wherever they please.